Today, we'll check out sniper order blocks and how to use fractal market structure that you can use for price action and smart money trading. We will do a full analysis of ranges and liquidity and how to use structures for Forex trading. We will cover many concepts in this video: how to enter trades, how to find targets to aim for, how to use structures. We have so much to do. If you're ready, let's start. Welcome our free trading course. Our main focus is price action trading strategies and smart money concepts. If you love scalping and day trading, or maybe swing trading and looking for special trading strategies, check out my free trading course. You can find the links on Google Drive or directly from my website, which is in the description. Since Bitcoin is on a boring low volume weekend range, I decided to make a video about Forex, which I have been practicing a lot lately. Today we will focus on dollar index. Imagine that I have opened this daily dollar index chart and started staring at the screen. What should I do first? Check the general structure. Just putting little circles at the most significant highs and lows, I'm getting signals and data about the market. As you can see, there are no powerful breaks to upside or downside. Price is just making liquidity grabs on both sides and move back in. What does it remind you of? Price keep going up and down without significant direction. Yes, it is a range, a consolidation period. I think any of you have the power to identify it by now. Then something keeps bugging my mind. Why does the price keep bouncing here? A secret magical power from the Witcher? Why cannot price go lower? When you zoom out, you can directly notice this daily super order block with a really large imbalance. And you can see nothing happens randomly here. Everything has a reason when you understand the true price action. Let's take a closer look at the price action which made the price jump by using the 4-hour time frame. If I ask you to find the 4-hour structure break for me, where would it be? It is right at this point. The high creates the deepest lower low. Let me remind you what happens here. Price comes to a daily demand area and starts to struggle, then shifts its structure. So, not all moves inside this area create a true structure shift. You must work with the deepest lower low here. Let's use our beloved optimal trade entry here. Just right here it gives us a nice OTE zone. What else is there? Another super order block and imbalance combo, which actually powers up the price in the 1-hour time frame, which we will look at soon. Before we move on with lower time frames, let us graphically summarize what happened up until now so you can understand much better. As you can see, price moves with similar structures like this. Not the best structure in the world, and it keeps creating demand areas. But we have like billion demand areas, as you can see. How do we know which ones are more useful? We will wait and check the reactions. Is it holding the price? Does it create internal structure shifts? Are the impulses powerful? We have to observe it closely. Let me get much closer to this area within the 1-hour time frame and start talking about entries. Remember, we bounced off from the daily order block and created a 4-hour structure shift. Then the price about to bounce from the 4-hour order block. Perfect fractal structure. Notice how the price sweeps the liquidity here and also makes a tiny break. You will notice that 100% of the same thing happens here with the 4-hour structure. Another market structure shift above. Price bouncing from 4-hour order block and imbalance with a great power. Here you stop and ask yourself, where could the price go above? Notice this lovely imbalance and liquidity. If you have been watching my channel for a long time, you already know that liquidity and imbalance combo is my #1 target in the entire world. Let's notice what happens here. Just placing my premium and discount tool to get an idea about price cheapness. Just see this, 1-hour super order block and 1-hour imbalance. 1 day, 4 hours, and 1 hour. 100% the same thing keeps happening. It is just amazing. This is also a classic rally, base rally structure, a fresh reminder for us. What about an entry? Right now, it is a decision time. Are you gonna be a casual day trader or elite sniper? It is entirely up to you. Here is a very casual and a relaxed 2-hour based entry. Huge stop loss, cushions, and secure me. And it is a 0 time consuming entry. Just enter and go out to play. No stressed and very relaxed. Okay, let's remove the casual day trader entry and talk about elite sniper entry. You come to me and say, screw your 2-hour trades and give me more. Let's zoom in deeper in this 1-hour order block area. We'll be checking the 5-minute time frame. Let's see what happens here. Notice this structure shift. How fun is it? 4 hours MSB, 1 hour MSB, now 5 minutes MSB. But not random structure shifts. All happens at super order blocks. This is the difference. Notice this impulsive movement here. When I see this impulsive movement, I already know that it is some sort of smart money involvement or some news. This 5-minute order block, the best possible entry point in the world after going down from 1 day, 4 hour, 1 hour, and 5-minute charts. However, what happens here? Price struggles above the order block and never touches the OB. When you place your premium and discount tool, you can see that the price struggles at the EQ point around the breaker block. Actually, it is using this imbalance and EQ point. What shall you do then? Just take an entry for God's sake and cushion your stop loss against that order block. You already did daily 4-hour and 1-hour analysis. Stop wasting your time. When you zoom out, you can see that this was a 6-hour trade for elite snipers. Now, what is the downside of this trade? For me, it is time. You have to watch the charts a lot for sniper-based entries, which is not very easy for all the people. You may spend 4-5 hours on the screen. Let's quickly sum up what we did here graphically. With the daily time frame, the price makes a very huge movement up and down. Since we are day traders, our main focus will be the hourly charts. But we are observing the daily demand areas. Then the price gets into this big daily range. Then we notice a 4-hour structure shift inside the daily range, which creates a 4-hour demand. Then again, we keep going down and see that price creates another 1-hour structure shift from the 4-hour demand. Since we are crazy, we dig further and we see that price creates another 5-minute structure shift from the 1-hour demand. This video is important for all of you. It shows the ultimate fractal systems in action, which most traders have no idea about. I hope things got clear about the market structure now. Okay folks, as always, all these trading methods are suitable for scalping, day trading, or even swing trading. I believe that it will be really helpful in your trading life. I hope you subscribe to the channel and like the video. Thank you, please take care and see you soon.